Good morning students. Today we will study about a very important technique of food preservation, that is pasteurization of milk. This topic comes under chapter number 2, microbes as our friend and foe. The milk is heated up to 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly cooled down. This method is known as pasteurization, given by Louis Pasteur, and this method prevents the growth of further microbes. Write a short note on vaccination. Vaccine is inactive, weak or dead microbe which are introduced intentionally into the person's body. When a vaccine is introduced, the person's body know how to fight back against it and produce antibodies. This is the defense mechanism or the immune system's response against that particular vaccine. The antibodies remain in the body and protect it from future infection. This is known as immunization. Actually speaking, in immunization, there is a system called befooling the immune system actually going on, because we introduce weak microbes into the person's body. The body produces antibodies in the response of those microbes. But in future, by chance, if the same microbe enters, but that time it will be active in case. So, if it is active that time, our body knows how to produce the antibodies against it. So, in this way, our body does a kind of a rehearsal. It is a kind of a rehearsal, or also known as befooling of immune system basically. It was the first vaccine was given by Edward Jenner against smallpox. A very interesting story is related to the discovery of this smallpox vaccine. Many people were suffering from cowpox disease. It was creating a lot of problem all around. Edward Jenner noticed that milkmaid or milkman, which are dealing with the dairy animals, cow, etc., were not getting affected by this disease. So, he introduced inactive cowpox virus to the body of a person, and to his surprise found that his body started producing antibodies against smallpox also, because the virus was somewhat same. So, this is how the vaccination technique was introduced, in which inactive microbes are introduced. Please underline the inactive microbes because they are dead and inactive. So, our body as a rehearsal or as a defense mechanism produces antibodies against them, and later on in future, if same kind of active microbes also attacks our body's immune system is having a good memory and it knows how to produce the antibodies against the virus or microbe. So, this is the technique of vaccination. Now, I am giving you notes for the nitrogen cycle also, because tomorrow I will explain you nitrogen cycle. When I will be explaining you through Blackboard, please keep your copy open so that you can get the better understanding. Slide 1. Next. You can have the snapshots. Thank you very much.